Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make yet another traditional South Indian recipe with the use of this vegetable. This is a banana stem or vaazhai thandu in Tamil. So we use, as I told you earlier when I showed you about the banana flour, also I told you we use even the stem for cooking. So when you choose the stem, choose tender stems and then we have to remove the outer layers like this. This we cannot eat, we have to throw that away. We have removed these outer layers which are full of this undigestible fiber and we can throw them away. Next, you take some water and I have added some buttermilk to it. This is to prevent discoloration of the banana stem. Now this tender stem is what we are going to use. There is a technique of cutting this stem. You have to first make thin slices, and when you slice it, you will find this fiber coming out. Just roll this fiber around your finger every time and discard it. See, I'll show you here. Discard the fiber every time. If the stem is really very tender, you will not get much fiber. But if it is a tough stem, then you will have a lot of fiber in it. Now that we have made all the slices, just take a stack of about 5 or 6 of them and chop them like this. Either you can make thin long slices or chop them into tiny pieces. See, with this there are many recipes which we can make. You can make a salad, you can make a dry poriyal or curry as we call it at home. You can make more kottu, you can make raita, lot of things. So today I will show you how to make a salad as well as a simple curry along with some moong dal in it. So for the salad, I just cut it into thin long strips like this. Keeping the chopped banana stem for the salad in this bowl with the water and buttermilk in it, and in this one we'll chop it for the curry or a poriyal. Here you can make them into small pieces like this. Chop it and put it into this buttermilk and water mix. Small word about the health benefits of this banana stem. It is extremely healthy, being full of fiber. It helps a lot for people with constipation. Those who are looking for methods of weight control, this banana stem or vaazhai is excellent. People take a glass of this banana stem juice on an empty stomach and they or eat it as a salad or curry also. It's very good for that. And also it is good for flushing out the toxins from your body. People suffering from kidney stones, urinary tract infections, all these people, you must use banana stem in your diet. So here for making the salad, the first recipe, I have some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, and 1 green chilli also I have chopped finely. It's a very simple recipe to make but tasty. Just drain out this banana stem, raw banana stem, into a bowl like this. Next, add some salt to it. Be careful, this will not take much salt, so don't add too much of salt to it. Just do the tadka with half a teaspoon of oil, a few mustard seeds to it, a little bit of urad dal, wait for the dal to become brown. Add this finely chopped green chilli and pour it over this chopped banana stem, which I have added salt to it. Mix it very well, and finally squeeze some fresh lemon juice over this. Mix it together well and top it up with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. See how simple it was to make this, but it is very nutritious, very good for health. So if you are able to get banana stems in the place you live, please do include it in your diet at least once a week. It is good for everybody. For the second recipe, which is a simple poriyal or curry, same banana stem we have soaked in that buttermilk and kept it. Also, this is some split moong dal or split gram lentils, which I have soaked in water for about 20 minutes now. We can drain this water. Also, I have taken 2 green chillies, slit them. I have taken a teaspoon of oil in a pan and season it or temper it with mustard seeds. Fluttering, add urad dal, add the split green chilli, also some curry leaves, fresh curry leaves chopped. Next, this soaked moong dal, just add it to this and stir fry it for just a few minutes. Drain the chopped banana stems and add that also to this tempering of dal and mustard, green chilies. It all well together. Just add a small pinch of haldi or turmeric powder to this. Add some salt. Again, be careful with the salt. This will not take much of salt. Mix it together. Just sprinkle a few drops of water. Cover it and cook till the dal and vegetable both are done. Let's check on the curry now. See, it is done and the dal is also cooked. The dal need not become mushy, but it should be well cooked. You can switch it off. And here I have a tablespoon of freshly grated coconut. add that also to your curry. And a healthy banana stem poriyal or banana stem dry curry is now ready to be served. This goes very well with rice and any other side dish, either sambar or rasam, whatever you need. Finally, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and it is ready now. You have two recipes, the banana stem salad and the banana stem poriyal or curry, both very healthy dishes which are very good, full of fiber, full of nutrition. So actually I remember my childhood days when in Chennai, in Triple K, in Mylapore also, these fresh banana stems used to be available for sale, and when we choose one, the seller would chop it up in front of our eyes, pack it in a banana leaf and give it to us. Totally fresh and tender and juicy. I don't find such stems anymore in the major cities. Maybe when you go into smaller towns or villages, we might find that. Anyhow, let us still try to enjoy the health benefits of this. Do subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, share your recipe with your family and friends, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for notification about my latest updates. Thank you.